In a quiet, serene brook, a small trout named Orion lived. His scales shimmered in the sunlight, reflecting the beauty of the water that surrounded him. One day, Orion noticed a peculiar stone jutting out from the water, obstructing his path. This stone was a challenge, a barrier that Orion had never encountered before. The other fish swam around it, but Orion was different. He was determined to overcome this obstacle, to explore the world beyond. The stone was high and slippery, but Orion was not deterred. He took a deep breath, his heart pounding in his chest. With a leap of faith, Orion sprang from the water, soaring through the air towards the stone. As he flew, Orion felt a strange sensation. It was as if he was weightless, free from the constraints of the water. He soared higher, his fins fluttering wildly. The world below seemed tiny, insignificant. But as Orion neared the stone, he realized his mistake. He was too far, too high to reach it. Panic set in, and he began to plummet towards the ground. His heart raced, and he braced himself for impact. But then, something miraculous happened. Just as he was about to crash into the ground, Orion felt a gentle push. He was caught by a pair of strong, unseen hands. He looked up and saw a large bird, its wings spread wide, keeping him aloft. Orion was amazed. He had never felt such a sense of wonder before. He thanked the bird, promising to never take anything for granted again. The bird nodded, and with a gentle push, sent Orion back towards the water. Orion landed softly, his heart still pounding from his close brush with death. He looked at the stone, now seeming insignificant compared to the wonders he had just experienced. He swam back to his home, his eyes filled with a newfound appreciation for the world around him. From that day on, Orion lived his life with a newfound sense of purpose. He no longer took anything for granted, and he never let obstacles deter him. Instead, he faced them head-on, with a leap of faith. He learned that sometimes, the greatest leaps are not physical, but leaps of faith, leaps into the unknown, leaps that test our courage and our resolve. And in doing so, he discovered a world beyond his wildest dreams.